Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about planning a stress-free event that includes inflatables for your special occasions that's coming up. First and foremost, what you need to remember is that budgeting, making sure that you have the right amount of money for your inflatable. You've got lots of things that you got to pay for with food and decorations and things, and inflatables can be a part of the entertainment and also part of the decorations, but you get what you pay for. If you spend a little, generally you're going to get probably something that is a little smaller or something that is not as nice or grandiose. Make sure you budget plenty of money of that. Second of all, let's talk about time. You need to make sure you put in enough time for your event and for planning of your event. The vendors can help with this by, making sure that they get in and get out of your way and have everything set up and ready to go. So just kind of schedule them and get them in place so that they're helping you and not hindering you when you're trying to schedule your event. When we're talking about vendors, you need to make sure that you're dealing with a reputable company, somebody that's been in business for a while, that has, some experience with what they're doing, and especially with the inflatable guys, somebody that's licensed, insured, and has lots of reviews that say that they're, on top of the things. And last but not least, you need to remember that emergencies always come up and they can be a very, very stressful part of this. So, what you need to do is have contingency plans, something where maybe you can move indoors or something where you kind of change or have flexibility. Well, those are my tips. Hope your event is great and has no stress.